Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that previous week we have started with our chapter number 3, that is Hasmina's Kite. Okay, so today we are going to do the book reading in part 1 video, and in part 2 video we are going to do one notebook exercise. Is that clear? So I hope, children, that in previous week you all have completed your notebook work till A and B part, which I gave you. First of all, I gave you reading part, then I gave you hard words which you were supposed to do in your English practice notebook, and then I gave you A and B exercise which you were supposed to do in your English literature notebook, and the first A exercise was on word meanings and B exercise was on fill in the blanks. So I hope you all have completed that much work in your notebooks very neatly and nicely, and I hope you all also have started learning that. Now today I will be explaining you the whole story once again as a short recap, and then we will be doing one notebook exercise. Is that clear, children? So are you all ready? Very good. So for that, children, for first part video, you have to take out your Buzzword English Reader book, that is book number 2 for class 2. Okay, and then turn to page number 26, where your heading of your chapter is given, that is chapter number 3, Hasmina's Kite. Okay, now you all know what is the story about. This story is about two children, brother and sister, Hasmina and Saif, and they both were very interested. They both used to fly kites. Okay, they were very interested in flying kites, so they both went with their father to the kite shop, and they bought new kites for them, and then they asked their father where to fly the kites and when to fly the kites, and the father replied that you can fly the kites tomorrow in the evening, as well as he also replied that on the terrace you can fly the kites. When they were going to the terrace, they both when they were climbing on the stairs, they stopped on the stairs. Why? Because they saw Sharma ji. Okay, and Sharma ji was their neighbor, and they were very frightened of that person. Okay, so this was all in the story, and how Sharma ji helped them in flying the kite. So this is all in the story. So once again I will be giving you the introduction and reading part of this story, so please listen to it very carefully. Okay, so let's get started, children. Are you all ready? Very good. Hasmina and Saif lived in an apartment building called Ajanta Apartments. They liked kites. They went to a shop with their father. Now, Hasmina and Saif used to live in an apartment building, and the name of their apartment was Ajanta Apartments, and they were very fond of flying kites, and they went to the shop with their father to buy kites. Which kite would you like? Who asked this? Their father. Okay, I'd like that red kite with the green tail, please, said Hasmina. Hasmina को कौन सी kite चाहिए थी? Red kite with the green tail. Okay, as you can see in this picture. I want this blue kite with the yellow tail, please, said Saif. और Saif को कैसी kite चाहिए थी? Blue kite with yellow tail. As you can see in this picture, he is holding a blue kite with yellow tail. Now, Where can we fly our kites? asked Hasmina. Now, हसमीना ने क्या पूछा अपने पापा से? That where can we fly our kites? हम अपनी kites को कहाँ उड़ा सकते हैं? When can we fly them? asked Saif. सैफ ने क्या पूछा कि हम कब उसको उड़ा सकते हैं? You can fly your kites tomorrow, father replied. You can go to the roof of our apartment building. अब उनके फादर ने क्या बोला कि You can fly your kites tomorrow. आप कल शाम को उड़ा सकते हो और कहाँ पे? You can go to the roof of the apartment building. That means आप अपनी अपार्टमेंट बिल्डिंग की छत पे जा सकते हो. Is that clear? Now, the next evening, Hasmina and Saif went to the roof. Hasmina और Saif next evening को कहाँ गए? अपनी छत पे. They took their kites. अपनी kites भी लेके गए. They stopped at the top of the stairs. जब वो अपने stairs के एकदम top पे पहुँच गए तो वो वहाँ पे रुक गए. क्यों रुके? शर्मा जी was on the roof. They were frightened of him. Now, Sharma ji, as you can see in this picture, children, they both, Hasmina and Saif, stopped on the stairs. Why? Because they saw Sharma ji. This person is Sharma ji. Okay. Now, these two children were afraid of him. They were very frightened of Sharma ji. Okay. Now, turn to new page. Sharma ji was an old man with a bent nose. Now here you are. Here we are given with the information that how was Sharma ji. Sharma ji was an old man with a bent nose. वो एक बहुत बूढ़े आदमी थे और उनकी नोज भी कैसे थी? झुकी हुई, bent. Sometimes he wore black glasses. कभी कभी वो black glasses भी पहनते थे, चश्मा पहनते थे. Sometimes Sharma ji sat still and closed his eyes. कभी कभी वो एक जगह बैठ के अपनी eyes close करके बैठ जाते थे. Okay. Then sometimes he sang songs. गाना भी गाते थे. Now Sharma ji was walking up and down on the terrace. He was walking up and down. Okay. Look at all those kites, said Hasmina. Those kites are very colorful. Now, Hasmina ने क्या बोला कि उन kites को देखो कितनी colorful हैं. Many people were flying kites at Ajanta apartments and from the roofs of other buildings. Is that clear? Now, in this it is said that बहुत से लोग जो है kites कहाँ से fly कर रहे थे, कहाँ उड़ा रहे थे? अजंता अपार्टमेंट्स की छत से और जो अदर बिल्डिंग्स के भी रूफ्स थे वहाँ से भी बहुत से लोग काइट्स उड़ा रहे थे, फ्लाई कर रहे थे. ओके. हसमीना's and Saif's kites flew in the wind. हसमीना और सैफ की काइट हवा में उड़ने लगी. The kites looked lovely. They were looking very nice. They were looking very lovely in the sky. Now, there was a tall boy on the roof of Skyline Apartments. He had a black kite. Now, in front of Ajanta Apartments was another apartment known as Skyline Apartments. And there, on the roof of the Skyline Apartments, there was a tall boy who had a black kite. Okay. Sharma ji stopped walking. He watched the black kite. Suddenly, the black kite came near Saif's kite. Now, when Sharma ji was walking, he stopped there. At one place, he stopped there and started watching the black kite. And why he started watching the black kite? Because the black kite of the tall boy came near the Saif's kite. Okay, जो सैफ की काइट थी उसके पास जो टॉल बॉय था उसकी ब्लैक काइट आ गई. द टॉल बॉय लाफ्ड. ही स्टार्टेड लाफिंग, हंसने लगा. I'll cut down your kite, he called. उसने क्या बोला टॉल बॉय ने? मैं तुम्हारी काइट काट दूंगा. Go away, shouted Saif. Please don't cut down my kite. But the black kite cut Saif's string. The blue and yellow kite fell down. Saif started to cry. Now, what happened, children? Tall boy was laughing and he told Saif that I will cut down your kite. And Saif shouted that please go away and don't cut down my kite. But still, what happened? Saif cut down the tall boy cut down Saif's string. String means जो धागा था काइट का उसको टॉल बॉय ने काट दिया. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? सैफ की काइट किस कलर थी? ब्लू एंड येलो कलर की जो काइट थी वो नीचे चली गई, कट गई और नीचे चली गई, गिर गई. सैफ स्टार्टेड टू क्राई. अब उसने रोना शुरू कर दिया. जस्ट देन सैफ फेल्ट अ हैंड ऑन हिज शोल्डर. इट वाज शर्मा जी. अब थोड़ी देर बाद एकदम से सैफ को ऐसा लगा कि उसके शोल्डर पे किसी ने हाथ रखा है. और वो किसने हाथ रखा था? शर्मा जी ने. कैन आई हेल्प? ही आस्क्ड. आई एम गुड एट फ्लाइंग काइट्स. नाउ शर्मा जी आस्क्ड सैफ दैट कैन आई हेल्प यू? मेरे को भी काइट्स उड़ानी आती है. आई एम गुड एट फ्लाइंग काइट्स. हसमीना गेव हर काइट टू शर्मा जी. The tall boy's kite came near Hasmina's kite. Now, Saif's kite was cut down. So, when Sharma ji asked for help, so Hasmina gave her kite to Sharma ji. And then what happened, children? The tall boy's kite जो tall boy की kite थी वो अब Hasmina की kite के पास आ गई. The tall boy again laughed. Oh dear! He'll cut down my kite, cried Hasmina. No, he won't, said Sharma ji. अब क्या हुआ कि हसमीना ने तो डर के ये बोला कि ओ डियर, वो तो मेरी काइट को काट देगा. तो शर्मा जी ने उसको क्या बोला? नहीं, वो ऐसा नहीं कर पाएगा. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? द ब्लैक काइट टर्न्ड. ब्लैक काइट एक अलग डायरेक्शन में टर्न हुई. द रेड काइट टर्न. अब फिर रेड काइट भी टर्न हो गई. द टॉल बॉय स्टॉप लाफिंग. अब एक सिचुएशन ऐसी थी कि टॉल बॉय को जो लाफ कर रहा था, हंस रहा था, ही स्टॉप लाफिंग. ओके, एंड पुल कॉल्ड शर्मा जी. शर्मा जी ने क्या बोला? पुल करो, उसको स्ट्रिंग को बहुत तेज खींचो. हसमीना एंड शर्मा जी पुल्ड द स्ट्रिंग टुगेदर. Hasmina, as you can see in this picture, Hasmina is holding the device in which the string is there. So she and Sharma ji started pulling the string together. Then suddenly the black kite started to fall. The children cheered. Now what happened? अचानक से जो black kite थी tall boy की वो started to fall. That means वो कट गई और वो नीचे जमीन में गिरने जाने लगी. The children cheered. Now what is the meaning of cheered? I told you, किसी को motivate करना. Okay. Sharma ji became a good friend. Soon the children became good at flying kites. अब शर्मा जी उन दोनों बच्चों के बहुत अच्छे, हसमीना और सैफ के बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड बन गए और वो दोनों भी kites fly करने में expert हो गए. So that is all in the story, children. I hope you all have understood how you will read this chapter, how you will read this story at home, and it's your homework to learn to read this story twice or thrice at home because this will improve your reading skills. So this is all in this part 1 video, children. Now moving towards to our part 2 video in which I will give you one notebook exercise. So till then, children, bye bye.